I'm Matt Ovenden, CEO and founder of Borrow a Boat, the UK's leading boat charter marketplace. And so, after successful fundraisers on here in 2017, 2018 and 2020, we're now back on Crowdcube. We've been on a journey made possible by the overwhelming support of investors of all sorts, and with 3.8 million raised since 2017, I'm about to tell you about the next chapter of the story. I founded Borrow a Boat in 2016 to help make boating more accessible and to help boat owners at the same time. We're bringing a modern level of access to boating and to help increase participation in boating. We were pioneers of peer-to-peer boat charter in the UK, bringing unprecedented choice and flexibility to the charter market. Not long after we got going, it was soon clear that the wider charter industry as a whole was crying out for a wider tech marketplace solution. And so, since then, Borrow a Boat has grown and evolved to become a boating marketplace for the whole boating industry worldwide, for both peer-to-peer boats and a large number of the world's commercial fleets. In fact, most of them. We now have access to over 35,000 boats in more than 65 countries. In 2019, we were the headline sponsor at the UK's biggest boat show in Southampton, and we also launched Borrow a Boat Plus, a luxury sub-brand for the large and growing luxury crude charter market, including super yachts. This is an undisturbed but very lucrative part of the market and has gone from strength to strength in making up a growing percentage of our bookings, and we've only really just scratched the surface. 2020 threw the whole industry and the world a curveball, and whilst trading was interrupted, we reacted by doubling down on the tech improvements, including building industry-leading digital marketing optimizations and further automation of the customer flow to build a solid technological base for scaling the business across multiple countries.
2021 has been a busy year for us with our international launches, and most importantly, we've already started getting real traction in these markets, particularly in the US. This has been backed up by ongoing product development to improve the user experience and the automation of admin-heavy customer management processes. Borrow a Boat's website is now fully optimized to increase our digital presence, which has contributed to our organic traffic growth of more than 1,000% since the beginning of 2020. With more international markets being launched by the end of the year, further opportunities in the domestic market, and the shift online of this big established sector, we're poised to capitalise on the inevitable growth potential.
Then, in 2021, we've really seen the market coming back strongly. Following a successful raise at the beginning of the year, we announced our intention to launch into 8 new countries in 2021. And we've been delivering on that promise, launching into the USA in March 2021 and in May and June into Canada and Australia respectively. And we'll shortly be launching into New Zealand, Italy, Spain, France and Germany. Revenues and customer traction have been building through the year as well, despite the moving goalposts on travel restrictions and the market being significantly down. Our sales have accelerated to all-time highs by summer 2021, with the building of revenues through the year. We've had massive months of bookings in 2021, and July of this year being our biggest ever. Also in 2021, another big step forward for Borrow a Boat was when we acquired specialist luxury charter broker Helm. Helm have a large and loyal customer base and a strong reputation in the luxury boating space, and their skills and expertise, plus brand, really boost our capabilities in this end of the market.
We were excited to join forces with Borrow a Boat as we felt they shared our vision for how the industry needs to modernise in order to serve the broader holiday market and for making luxury charters more accessible. We recognise great alignment between the businesses with real complementary skill sets.
We're excited about the future direction of the business and see huge growth potential for crude and luxury charters. We believe that together with the right technology platform and marketing, combined with our knowledge of this end of the market, we can really scale this globally.
So, having shown strong growth in a recovering market in 2021, we're now planning the way forward for 2022 and what could be the biggest year of travel the world has ever seen. And that's why, to power the next stage of the company's growth, we're in the early stages of planning to be the first boat charter marketplace worldwide to IPO and list on a public market, or float as the case may be. We've chosen the Aquis Exchange in London as the best fit for our fast-growing tech company. We've got a great team in place and we're well positioned to grow and scale internationally. So why not come on board now and join us in a fast-growing and exciting business, building traction in a huge and mature global boating industry. And this time, don't miss the boat,